arm down, extend your kana. Okay, and cheek down. There you go. Higher. Hips up. Right. Nice. Open up ang chest. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let go of the foot. Extend the leg. Extend the arm. Lift up ang leg. Straighten towards the side. Lift up towards the side. 5, 4. And as you lift your hips higher for your downward facing dog. Push down sa mat. Lift your hips higher.
Yes.
Knees up. Nice. Keep your arms straight. You can bend your knees here. See? Keep your hips up. And sige lang. More. Over your wrist. Sige. And then chest forward. Forward. Nice. Make way with your body. Anak, chest up. Anak. Sige. Nice. Dili pa. Hop over pa dyan. Pangusgin pa dyan. Sige. Anak. And then chest forward. Forward pa dyan. Murag maabot ka sa imuhang high plank. Forward pa dyan, tapos lower ang hips. Murag high plank. Forward. And forward. Anak. There you go. And siya Triangulation, knees down, chest down. Okay. So since bagay pa man ka, pwede na ka mag-start from your downward facing dog. Chest forward, hover high plank, knees down, chest down. Inhale to your upward facing dog. Nice. Alright. Hips down. Keep your legs straight. Chest forward. Lower back hips. Knees down. Chest down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Lift up ang chest. Lower ang hips.
Sorry.
Sige, kana. Start ka diha. Knees down. Forward pa forward. Kana. Lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Nice. Sayo no. Facing dog. One last time. Make way with your body. Nice. Beautiful. Chaturanga. Nice. Inhale to your upward facing dog. And rest in your child's pose for a few minutes. Knees apart. Toes together. And lower down hips. Forehead and chest down on the mat. To your hands. All the way to your hands. And then hips up. Bring your hands closer.